do the speech to text. So we'll take an audio file, one that we looked at in a previous video that we generated, and we'll look at that actually real quick. It'll probably be helpful.
Today is a wonderful day to build something people love.
We generated this from this, API call, right? And then we're going to transcribe that back into text. So we uploaded our MP3 file up to here. We gave it the model name, which is Whisper. That's the model to use for transcriptions. And we can take out the language because it requires it. I didn't feel like looking up the ISO language for English. It's probably something easy like EN, but I don't have it in front of me. So we're not going to do that. And then we'll make the API call. So it's audio, transcriptions, model, take out the language, and the actual MP3 file. And so just like that, it's a wonderful day to build something people love, right? So we get that back in text, which is super interesting because you could think about how could we start using this. You could use it in a lot of different ways, right, in an application. And so hopefully this helps. If for nothing else, you maybe think of that. So reach out to me if you need any help with your development. I'd love to get into your business workflows and help you out solve some problems. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates from us. Have a good one.